Imagine a world where your glasses don't just help you see, they transform how you interact with everything around you. That's the bold vision behind Meta's new $799 Ray-Ban display, marking the company's ambitious leap from virtual reality, VR, to augmented reality, AR. But here's where it gets controversial. Is this the future of computing, or just another overhyped gadget? Let's dive in. During a recent demo, Mark Zuckerberg showcased a mind-bending feature, a neural interface that lets you compose messages by mimicking handwriting on a flat surface. While this won't be available at launch, Zuckerberg claims he's achieved speeds of up to 30 words per minute, a silent, hands-free way to text. Sounds futuristic, right? But this is the part most people miss. The real star of the show is the live caption feature. It transcribes what your conversation partner is saying in real time, even filtering out background noise to focus on their voice. It's like having a personal stenographer built into your glasses. Meta's demo video highlights how this works, though the actual glasses' field of view is likely more limited. Still, it's a glimpse into a future where AR could bridge communication gaps in ways we've only dreamed of. Beyond these flashy features, the Ray-Ban display acts as a mini smartphone mirror, displaying apps like maps and recipes right in your line of sight. Need turn-by-turn directions? They're floating right in front of you. Want to follow a recipe without smudging your phone screen? Done! The glasses also double as a viewfinder for their built-in 12-megapixel camera, making photo and video capture more intuitive than ever. These practical uses feel like a genuine step forward in wearable tech. But let's be real, not everything is a slam dunk. Accessing apps like weather, reminders, or emails on such a tiny display might feel clunky compared to your phone. And video calls? They're a bit awkward, as your caller sees the world through your glasses' outward-facing camera instead of your face. It's a trade-off that raises questions about usability. Meta also teased a futuristic agentic AI integration, where the glasses could suggest tasks or reminders based on what you see and hear. While this feels like pie-in-the-sky thinking for now, it hints at a future where AR devices become proactive assistants. For Zuckerberg, this is the next chapter in the exciting story of the future of computing, a narrative shift from Meta's failed VR-based metaverse. But is this a redemption story or just another detour? Here's the big question. Will the Ray-Ban display redefine how we interact with technology, or will it join the graveyard of overpromised gadgets? Let us know what you think in the comments. We're curious to hear your take on this bold step into the AR frontier.